What I can tell you is that the jury made a decision regarding sentencing, and the judge adopted that decision. We obviously had indicted the case with death penalty specifications, and they made a decision instead to give a sentence of life without parole. We are relieved that at least there is an assurance for the family that he will never be out of prison. He will never be able to bother them. He will never be able to come back in their lives.
Now that he's been sentenced to life, what happens next?
He'll appeal. I'm sure he'll appeal.
Is there anything that you want the public to know about the case that you get questions a lot about, or that...
I don't think the public understands the process of sentencing, that only a jury can make a determination about the death penalty, that it has to be a unanimous decision, that we aren't always aware of how many jurors may or may not have been in favor of the death penalty. We don't know that because jury deliberations are private. So it's not as simple as, well, that prosecutor should have given them the death penalty. I don't get a determined sentence at all. I have to present a case, have a jury convict someone, and then either a jury or a judge makes a determination as to sentencing. And it's not as simple as, well, the judge should have given them the death penalty. He doesn't have the option to do that if the jury doesn't decide to do that.
Right, so if the jury proposes a lesser sentence, which they did, then he cannot give them the death penalty.
He cannot give them the death penalty if they propose one of the life sentences. That's correct.